Hello everyone, welcome back to Creative Tutorial. If you are curious about web development, if you have probably heard of word React.js, but what exactly it is and why it is so popular. In this video, we will break it down step by step. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of React.js and how it is used to build modern websites and apps. So, let's get started and understand what is about React.js. But what the term mean React.js? React.js is a JavaScript library, but what does that mean? Think of React as a tool developer used to create user interface or UIs. A user interface is everything you see on a website or app, button, text, images, and many things. And React helps organize and manage this element efficiently. But why was React created? And who created a React.js? Before React, to building a dynamic website for a developer had to write a lot of code and it could get very complicated. But Facebook, the company behind React, needed a better solution to manage complexity, fast changing interface like the Facebook feed. So in 2013, Facebook introduced React.js. After knowing the who created and why the React.js created, let's know about how does React work. The key of React is component-based structure. Think of a website as a big puzzle. Each pieces of the puzzle like a header, button, footer, or a main body section of a website. It is a component of a website. Developer can create these components separately and then combine them to build the entire site. So, why the React is so popular and why this is and why everyone demanding React.js to build a UIs. React stands out because it makes website faster and smoother. For example, instead of reloading the entire page when something changes, React updates just part that need to change. This is called a virtual DOM, and this plays important role to make the React website more faster than comparing to other websites. Like traditional website can feel slow because they reload the entire page for very small changes. React avoid this working. React avoid this working. Not harder, which means a better experience for user. React only change the part of a website which need to be changed, and don't reload the entire page like the traditional website. After knowing every basics thing about React.js, now let's know about where is React used and which website was created with React.js. React is used by some biggest companies in the world like Facebook, Instagram, Netflix, and Airbnb. Are just few examples of this React project. It is also popular among smaller developers and startups because it's free and open source library. After knowing every basic things about React.js, so who should learn React and why you should learn React? React is perfect for anyone interested in web development, whether you are a beginner or an experienced coder. It is widely used in the industry and many companies, so learning React can open door to exciting career opportunity which can help you to increase your wealth. But how to get started with React? Getting started with React is easier than you think. You only need a basic understanding of JavaScript and you can set up your first React project in minutes using a tool like React or a Vite. Let's quickly recap the whole video. React is a JavaScript library which is used to build an user interface. It's component-based, reusable, and making coding easier for developers. With React, websites load faster and more dynamic, creating a better experience for user. So, if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about React and web development, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And let me know your question in our comment section. I will answer your question as soon as possible. And thanks for watching and see you in the next video.